Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to discuss how to integrate Google Login with Angular. So nowadays we are seeing this feature in many of the projects. So let's start our episode. So before starting the episode, I will show the demo of how it works. So you can see here, I'm able to log in. So you can see all the details here like this. And this is the token and you can generate the ID and name, etc. So let's start how to implement this. So first we have to go to Google Cloud Platform. So I will give this link for you in the description box. So first we have to go to select a project and we have to click on new project and give any name here. I am giving it as my project and after this click on create. So so I'm selecting my project here. Now go to OAuth consent screen and click on external or internal anything and click on create. So after clicking create, you will be navigated to this page. Once you come here, you have to enter the application name and logo or anything, and you have to give the email address. And here we have to give, if you are using any other link, then you have to give that one. Sorry. Okay. So you click on save. Now we have to click on credentials. Create credentials and what client ID. Now click on web application or Android anything. So here we have to give this for 200 or anything. If you are using anything other than for 200, then you can give here. This is the mandatory field. If you don't give this, you will see some errors. And once it's completed, you will be getting some token here. So you have to copy that token. That's it. So I'm copying that token and I'm pasting here. Now we have to install these commands and we have to paste this in tsconfig. So I'm installing this command. So this command has been installed. We have to install this command. I will share both of these commands in description. So after this, you have to go to tsconfig and paste this. You have to go to compiler options and then you have to paste this. In HTML, I have wrote some code to display login like this and some CSS part with this. So I'm going to paste those. You can create your own HTML and CSS. If you want, I can share this CSS and HTML. Now coming to app component.ts. So in the app component.ts, we have to import view child and elementary of, and other thing is we have to write the code to initialize the Google API. So I have the code here. I will share this code with you. This is the inbuilt code. We cannot change anything. So I'm using view child. So I'm writing this, and after this, I have to initialize the Google API code. So I'm calling that in the ng on init. And this is the code for initialization. So here we are getting some issue. So we are missing this auth2 implementation here. So we have gone that error. So once this is done, we are good to go. That's it. So we have to go to the terminal and we have to start the application. You have to write this command ngserve -o. This -o is mandatory. If you don't write this, you will encounter some errors. So I'm running this in another terminal, so it's showing some error. Once this is completed, you can log in through your Google credentials. And one major thing is here you have to give the client ID which you have saved. This will work because in the previous project I have created the client ID. So I have pasted this client ID here. So I'm using this client ID which I have saved initially. As I have changed that, it's showing some error. Now we can see here. So this is the temp login project. This is the project. So you can check here. This is working fine. You can check the details in the console.